drugs.
Yeah!
That's it? Oh, here you go. Get the major part right here. Here's that.
What, again?
Go ahead. Actually, you know what? Hold up.
What?
This is gonna be painful. Microwave one. These are rock.
That's it?
No, I think this fucking thing's on. Make it dent. Make it dent. Yeah, do it sideways. No! The lid survived! The lid survived!
Is it working?
Put it up. Yeah, no.
You turn, buddy.
Oh, good lord.
I want to break my fucking stuff.
Yeah!
I don't know. This thing busted with this shit.
Don't forget the lid.
It survives!
Dude, I can't fucking believe that. That's fucking strong as shit, man.
Well, no, there's steel in the frame. There's like some metal. The grating is metal, and that's what keeps it.
You ever come hit me in the head?
I have some of it, yeah.
Fucking hurt, man. Why does it live? Why do you live? You need to die. You need to die.
Put it right over top. Right over top. Lay it over. Lay it over.
No.
It's not going to go anywhere.
No, I need to smash it. What are you doing?
Microwave.
Fixing the microwave.
The door's fixed. It'll close. But the microwave won't turn on now. Oh, Christ almighty.
Why do you do that?
Because it's funny. Yeah, that's a good one.
You know what? I got like freaking 5 orders in the back.
Alright.
And I got like 6 pies.
Alright, done.
Alright, just, yo, I gotta move one more time. Let's still record this shit. Just leave it like that. That's fine. Just leave it fucking like that.
Guys,
Grab this thing. They go out.
okay.
Yeah!
Okay, it's done. It's done. I got 6 steps in the back.
Alright. Broke the back. The microwave won. The microwave won.
Oh, damn.